Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the concept of measurements and about levels of measurement and about variables. Well, the first question that I would like to ask you is, what do we call these? We would all agree that these are pens in my hand, right? So we've agreed to call this a pen. So that is the attribute of it. Now, this is one pen. That means we're going to say it's one pen and we're going to write it as one like this here. Now suppose I'm holding these two like this. Now I ask you, how many pens do I have? You're going to say 2. And you're going to write it with a symbol like this. And this is 3 and so on and so forth. Now what have we done? See, what we have done here is, we have assigned a symbol to an attribute. A physical attribute, any attribute that can be assigned a symbol depending on an agreed upon method of measurement by us. Right? So basically, measurement is simply a means of assigning symbols to the attributes. Now, there are 4 levels of measurement. What do we mean by those? The first level of measurement is nominal, by name only. That means, gender, male, female, the state to which you belong, or the region, east, west, north, south. The second level of measurement is ordinal. It follows a particular order. Mild, moderate, severe. Moderate is more than mild, severe is more than moderate. But the differences have no meaning. For example, the gap between mild and moderate is not, may or may not be the same as the gap between moderate and severe, and so on. Between level 1 and level 2 may not be the same as between level 3 and level 4, level 4 and level 5. Right? The third level of measurement is interval measurement. Now, the best example of this is the temperature scale, Fahrenheit and Celsius. So, there is an order, definitely. More is higher. The differences have a meaning. But 100 degrees Fahrenheit is not twice as hot as 50 degrees Fahrenheit. In simple words, this measurement level does not have a 0. And the last level of measurement is ratio level of measurement, where 50 is twice of 25, that means 50 kgs is twice of 25 kgs. And 100 kgs is twice of 50 kgs. So it has a 0. That is, it has a starting point. Now, why are we talking about all these? Why do we talk of levels of measurement? Well, levels of measurement are essential because we are going to compare different groups. We are going to draw meaningful conclusions about groups, about things, and therefore, for making them comparable, what we need to be doing is to have the same metric or the same rubric for each and every group. Now, that is the basis of research methods, and that is the basis of our levels of measurement. Now, what is a variable? A variable is anything which can take a number of values. So you can have a constant which is just one fixed number, and you have a variable. Variable means it can take a series of numbers to it. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 5, it could be 6. On the other hand, a constant is 3 is a constant. It will always remain a 3. A variable is represented by, let's say, x can assume a value of 1, it can assume a value of 2, it can assume a value of 3, it can assume a value of 5. Why do we want to classify, and why do we want to actually, put every attribute into a particular level of measurement? The reason for it is there are different methods to describe and to compare different types of variables. We'll be discussing it more in our next class. Thank you so much.